Okay, chef, our sword is on the grill. It's ready to come off. Plate this up and make it pretty for us.
Okay, so I made a little orzo dish here. It's something nice for the summer and springtime when you have fresh vegetables coming up. Heirloom tomatoes, asparagus tips and spears, and then some edamame in there as well.
Kind of salivating already. This looks amazing.
There's our swordfish steaks. Let me just take a little bit of the salsa verde and kind of drizzle it over the top. And it's okay if you get the salsa verde in with the pasta, it actually kind of mellows it out a little bit.